What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Retro back at it again with another video, and today we are going to be unboxing a care package from Random Archives, which, if you are pretty deep into the car scene or just in the car scene in general, I'm pretty sure you've heard or seen Random's floor mats. He has the very infamous floor mats that I'm sure you've seen in a lot of people's cars and all over social media. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right. I've already pre-opened this. I've already looked inside, all that good stuff, because I was just super impatient. I've had this for about a few months now, just waiting for it to be put in my car, which I'm going to do tomorrow. And I'll show y'all that tomorrow, but here it comes in a very large slim box with "Do not bend" on it. Handle with care. Presentations, all about presentation. And on here he writes the date for the drop, because he drops, well, he opens up his shop once a month. So if you want to be in the loop of when he's going to drop next, go ahead and follow him on Instagram, and I will link his Instagram in the description below. But you see, we open the box. I also ordered some more stuff. We'll get into that later. But here are the floor mats. Very, very, very nice quality. Nice quality indeed. So we're gonna go over it. As you can see, you get Random, got his brand embroidered right here. Watch for snakes. Very, very crucial advice in life in general. We have this, I don't know what you call this. I forgot. It's kind of like a demon slash like minotaur, whatever you want to call it, with the snakes coming out from around the head and the horns. Very, very colorful. The video does not do it justice at all, but you got the initials right here, Random Archives, and trust, loyalty, respect. Oh, I messed that up. Trust, respect, loyalty. Right here on the right side. And the truth never even existed. It's pretty deep, not gonna lie. I'm not even going to pretend I know what this is. I'm pretty sure it's Japanese, but don't quote me on that. But when you order from the site, it comes in a pair, of course, for the driver's side and the passenger side. That's pretty much it. Those are the floor mats. Now, I also ordered some air fresheners, if I can get them out. Ordered the fire and the ice air freshener. Pretty sure these are black ice, if I'm not mistaken. Go ahead and look in here. Okay, that's all from that. And then from here, I ordered another air freshener as well, which is the Schoolgirl with "If you know, you know." If you know what that means, you know what that means. So, I forget what scent this is. I forgot, but I know it smells good. I want to say it's like new car smell, or also black ice. And then it comes with a nice little card right there. Here's the website for y'all to go check out his merch, his floor mats, his air freshener. He also sells license plate frames, stickers, lanyards, which I have his lanyard over here on my car keys. Right here, Random, with a little Nike check right there. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it for this. Nothing too crazy, just a little floor mat review, unboxing, if you will. And I'll show y'all tomorrow once I vacuum out the car and replace the factory floor mats with these floor mats. All right, y'all, as you can see, this is how they look in the car. I just did a quick little vacuum. Not too crazy, but it looks really good in the car. Slowly but surely getting it done, guys. Slowly but surely, but that's gonna be it. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna drop some content weekly this year. I'm trying to just grind it out, show y'all some good stuff out here in Arizona, out in the West Coast. So yeah, follow the journey. Peace out, y'all.